Identify3D provides a way to secure digital content as it's going to a printer, whether it's a 3D printer or a CNC machine. Before us, basically, if I designed a part and I gave you the right to manufacture it, a certain number, I would have to trust that you would only make the number you're supposed to make with the right materials. With our software and our solutions, we're allowed to enforce the fact that you can only make a certain number of copies, and they must be made of this material with whatever machine parameters I specify as a designer. HSMs in general are very expensive, and when you're trying to go into a customer site to tell them you need to spend an additional X number of thousands of dollars to put HSMs in, kind of is a sticking point for them. Most of them don't have experience with HSMs to begin with. So we offer a service where we will keep all the keys we need in the cloud, and we did not have a solution for that. So that's the problem we're solving right now, is how to store our customers' keys in the cloud, in addition to some of our keys, like for a certificate authority and things along those lines. We chose DPoD after searching through a bunch of companies that provide the cloud HSM services. Getting it set up for production did not take long at all. It took me less than an hour to get the key vault out and get everything set up and configured and talking to everybody, and so it's pretty quick. As far as service goes, it's been excellent. Usually just a phone call or an email to support gets the job queued up and gets it worked on. What's important to us is the ability to support things while they're in the field. Manufacturing machines are multi-million-dollar machines, and if they're down, you can't wait days to get these things back up. It costs a ton of money, and in addition to reputation. One of the biggest benefits is I can get to where I can manage the customer's keys for them. If it had been a premise HSM or something like that, I'd have to pretty much go on site to actually go get access to their keys to do something or make a change if they want it done. So DPoD is there and it works great.